Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In this episode, we'll be doing our first maintenance. We're gonna hop in our Bronco. We're gonna head to the store, pick up some supplies to do our first oil change. Let's go! All right, guys, we're getting ready to do the oil change on the Bronco. And we have all the parts and supplies in front of us. We have the funnel. We have some protective eyewear, gloves, a shop towel. We're gonna need a set of pliers for the drain plug, a torque wrench, 1/16, 15 mil to take the bolts off of the skid plate. In terms of oil, we're using the recommended Ford Motorcraft SA5W-30 synthetic blend motor oil. And for the oil filter, this is the part number FL-2062-A. So that's it, guys. We're gonna get started. I'm underneath the car and there's a skid plate here. I don't know if you guys could pick that up, but there's 4 bolts. We will have to remove these 2 in the back and just loosen the front 2, and then it'll just slide out, and that'll give us access to the oil pan. So let's go ahead and do that now. All right, skid plate is off. And right here is the composite oil pan and the yellow drain plug. And that's what we'll be removing next. The engine is warm. I did drive it to the store to pick up all the supplies, came back. So it should flow pretty well. And then as soon as I have the oil draining here, we're gonna go up top to the engine bay and loosen the cap for the oil filter. All right, guys, I have a set of pliers. I'm just gonna use it to gently remove the drain plug. And we should see the oil flowing. Yep, there you go. Yes, all right.
I think it's better.
Perfect. All right, guys, so we're gonna go and loosen the cap, and this takes a 1/16. So there you go. There we go. This is the cap, and we're going to replace all 3 of these O-rings. Here is the oil filter. Replacement filter, the part number is on the box. So we'll insert this back here, like so. There it is. Perfect. And you get these replacement O-rings, which we'll take care of now. So we'll go to the bench here. And I have my little pick. So here you go, guys. We got the new O-rings in place, and we're gonna go ahead and hand tighten it for now. switch over to the torque wrench, and it is set for 24 pounds. And that's it. Yep. So not a lot of force there. All right, so the oil filter is done. All we need to do now is go underneath the vehicle and put the drain plug back in, and won't do the skid plate right away. We'll fill the oil up, we'll run the engine to cycle the oil, and then check the dipstick for oil levels, and then once we're happy with everything, we'll tidy everything up. Okay guys, we are ready to retighten the drain plug. The oil has, for the most part, stopped draining. There's a couple of drops here and there. So we simply put it back in. There you go. So we have tightened the air filter cap. We have reinserted the drain plug. All the oil has been drained. Here's the refill cap. So we unloosen this, put this off to the side. We put our funnel. I bought 7 quarts of these. So let's go ahead and get started. So this is quart 1, quart 2, quart 3. All right, quart 4, quart 5. All right, quart 6, guys. So this is the 7th quart. All right, we're halfway on the bottle here. So we're gonna stop there. All right, we filled back up with 6.5 quarts. We're gonna go put the oil cap back on, fill cap back on. It's on there tight. We've torqued the filter cap to 24 foot-pounds of torque. The bottom drain plug is also screwed in tight. Yeah, we're gonna run the engine and recheck or check the dipstick. All right, guys, we're gonna go to the owner's manual to check the instructions for how to check the oil levels. So we're gonna go to Feature, Owner's Manual. We'll go to the categories. If we scroll down, there's Vehicle Care and Maintenance. Then Maintenance. There's Engine Oil. So go to the overview. These are the markings on the dipstick. We have 3 markings. A is the minimum level, B is nominal, and C is maximum. So we want to ideally be in the B nominal range. So that's what we're going to look for. We're going to go back and click on the checking the engine oil level. We want to run the engine, let it warm up, wait 10 minutes, and check. All right, guys, the engine's warmed up. We're going to turn it off and go and check the dipstick. Okay, it's been 10 minutes, and we're going to go and check the oil level. The dipstick is located here. Take that out and clean it off first. Reinsert and check the level. So here are the markings that we saw in the owner's manual. Min, nominal, max. So really easy to read. Insert it back into the hole. Guide it in there. And out it goes. Back out for the reading. And the reading, we are a little low, guys. So we must have taken out more than 6.5. So we're gonna add, I don't know, maybe 1/4 of a quart. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, guys, we're gonna go and take the filler cap off, put the funnel back on, and add just a little bit more. We're getting close. So I would say that's about 3/4 of a quart. that we have put back in. Here we go. Dipstick out. Gonna wipe it down. Start clean. Okay, there we go. And we're gonna check, guys. My God, dare I say, it's perfect. We're right at that nominal marking. So let's do it one more time. So wipe it clean. Reinsert it back into the hole. I like this reading. It's pretty spot on. So we put a little over 6 3/4 of a quart back in. That seems to jive with what the owner's manual is saying. It takes 7 quarts, and we put very close to that back in after draining the oil. So I'm happy with this, guys. Yeah, this was cool. Our first routine maintenance. And yeah, guys, thank you for watching. This has been super easy to do. I think anyone can do this with some basic tools, and I highly recommend it. So thanks, guys.